Hi guys, Casey with Management One. I've got a beautiful 4-bedroom home in Menifee, California. Come with me. Let me tell you about it. Hi guys, today I'm at 28777 Outlaw in Menifee, California. This 4-bedroom home features a stunning open floor plan. It's got tons of natural light, and the kitchen and the living room, they go together, so you can be in that kitchen while the family's watching the game. It's just the perfect home for entertaining. Come with me. Let me show you the bedrooms and the rest of the home. As you can see, this home is absolutely gorgeous. Make sure to go to m1rent.com today, put in your application or schedule a viewing. This one's gonna go fast, guys. Don't wait on it.